We here at Mathews Brothers honor traditions, embrace change, and prepare for tomorrow. Now, preparing for tomorrow doesn't just mean laying out clean underwear and hoping that your socks match for a change. Successful businesses prepare for tomorrow in two ways. They listen to their customers, and they pay attention to the market. Customers tell you what they want, the market tells you what they need. As Henry Ford supposedly said, if I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. This year marks the completion of Scott Hawthorne's 33-year career at Mathews Brothers, the past 20 as president. During those years, Scott has had a vision for Mathews Brothers as a business that has respect for both its internal and external customers. A business that invests not only in tools and technology, but more importantly, in the people who make up the company. A business that every day is singularly focused on providing wow customer service with wicked awesome windows and doors. That was Scott's vision, and this is his legacy. As the baton is being passed with optimism and confidence in an even stronger tomorrow, in the distance we hear the echoes of Mathews carols of yesterday.
Mathews Brothers, Mathews with one T. America's oldest window manufacturer are we.